Ennov Quality Suite Online Training. Transform your quality management with Ennov Quality Suite, a comprehensive guide. Transform your quality management with Ennov Quality Suite, a comprehensive guide. Ennov Quality Suite is a powerful tool designed to help organizations streamline their quality management processes. With its robust features, it offers a comprehensive approach to managing the quality of products, processes, and services. This guide will explore how Ennov Quality Suite can transform your quality management practices, optimize operations, and ensure compliance with industry standards. 1. Understanding Ennov Quality Suite. Ennov Quality Suite is a modular platform that provides end-to-end quality management capabilities. It is particularly beneficial for highly regulated industries such as pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and manufacturing. The suite helps organizations manage quality from product development through production and beyond, ensuring consistency, compliance, and continuous improvement. 2 key features of Ennov Quality Suite. Document management. Centralize the creation, approval, and distribution of documents, ensuring that the latest versions are accessible and compliant with regulatory requirements. CAPA, Corrective and Preventive Actions, helps identify the root causes of quality issues and implement corrective and preventive actions to prevent recurrence, reducing the risk of non-compliance. Change control manages changes to processes, equipment, and documentation to ensure that any changes are properly evaluated, approved, and communicated. Audit management facilitates audit planning, scheduling, execution, and reporting. The suite enables tracking of audit findings and ensures follow-up actions are carried out. Risk management identifies, assesses, and mitigates risks across the organization, ensuring that quality management systems remain effective and compliant with industry standards. Training management ensures employees are adequately trained on quality procedures and regulatory requirements, helping to maintain compliance and improve performance. Supplier management manages supplier quality performance by evaluating, monitoring, and auditing suppliers to ensure they meet quality standards. 3 benefits of Ennov Quality Suite. Streamlined operations. By automating manual processes and providing a centralized platform for managing quality, the suite reduces administrative burdens and enhances efficiency. Regulatory compliance. Ennov Quality Suite helps organizations maintain compliance with industry regulations, including FDA, ISO, and GXP. It ensures that quality management processes are in line with legal and regulatory requirements. Improved collaboration. The suite fosters collaboration across teams, departments, and suppliers, helping everyone stay aligned on quality objectives. Real-time reporting and analytics. Ennov Quality Suite offers powerful reporting and analytics tools to monitor quality metrics, track performance, and make data-driven decisions. Cost reduction. By reducing errors, non-compliance risks, and inefficiencies, Ennov Quality Suite helps organizations lower operational costs. Why Ennov Quality Suite is the ultimate solution for streamlining regulatory compliance. The Ennov Quality Suite stands out as an ultimate solution for streamlining regulatory compliance, particularly in industries such as pharmaceuticals, life sciences, and healthcare. Here's why. Comprehensive compliance management. Ennov Quality Suite offers a range of tools that facilitate regulatory compliance, including document control, quality management, and audits. This ensures organizations can adhere to strict industry regulations like FDA, EMA, and ISO standards with minimal manual oversight. Centralized data management. With its centralized platform, Ennov Quality Suite allows for the seamless management of quality data, providing real-time access to compliance-critical documents and information. This reduces the risk of errors or omissions, ensuring all documents are easily traceable and up-to-date. Automated workflows. The suite automates key quality management processes such as document approval, CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, change control, and non-conformance management. These automated workflows ensure compliance processes are executed consistently and efficiently. Audit trail and traceability. Ennov Quality Suite maintains a secure and immutable audit trail, which is vital for regulatory inspections. It enables organizations to track every change made to a document or process, ensuring full transparency and accountability. Real-time monitoring and reporting. The suite provides real-time dashboards and reporting features that give stakeholders insight into compliance performance. It enables proactive monitoring of quality indicators, helping organizations to stay ahead of potential compliance issues before they escalate. Integration with other systems. Ennov Quality Suite integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems such as ERP, PLM, and CRM, ensuring that compliance is embedded across all business functions. This integration reduces data silos and enhances overall operational efficiency. Regulatory reporting. The suite supports regulatory reporting, which is crucial for meeting the stringent requirements of regulatory bodies. It simplifies the process of generating and submitting reports to various regulatory authorities, ensuring timely and accurate submissions. Scalability and flexibility. Whether a company is a small startup or a large enterprise, Ennov Quality Suite offers scalability, adapting to the size and complexity of the organization. It supports continuous growth while maintaining compliance with evolving industry regulations. User-friendly interface. The suite's user-friendly interface makes it easier for teams to adopt and navigate the system, reducing the learning curve and ensuring greater compliance across different departments. Unlocking the power of data integrity in clinical trials with Ennov Quality Suite. The Ennov Quality Suite offers robust solutions for ensuring data integrity throughout the clinical trial process, which is crucial for meeting regulatory requirements and maintaining the trustworthiness of clinical research data. Here's how it contributes to unlocking the power of data integrity in clinical trials. 1. Centralized data management. Ennov Quality Suite centralizes all quality management and regulatory data. By integrating data from various sources, such as clinical data management systems, CDMS, it ensures that all information is consistent and up-to-date. This centralized approach minimizes the risk of errors and discrepancies that could compromise data integrity. 2. Real-time monitoring and auditing. The suite includes features for continuous monitoring of clinical trial data, enabling teams to identify and resolve issues as they arise. Real-time audit trails track changes made to the data, providing transparency into who made changes, when, and why. This ensures compliance with regulatory standards like 21 CFR Part 11, which governs electronic records and signatures. 3. Risk-based monitoring. Ennov Quality Suite helps implement a risk-based approach to monitoring clinical trials. By focusing on critical data points and using analytics to spot potential risks early, the system helps prevent data integrity issues before they become significant problems. This proactive monitoring approach improves the overall quality and reliability of clinical trial data. 4. Compliance and regulatory adherence. The suite ensures compliance with international regulations such as GXP, Good Clinical Practice, and FDA regulations, which are essential in clinical trials. Ennov provides tools for managing deviations, non-conformances, and corrective actions, ensuring that the clinical trial data remains reliable and compliant throughout the trial life cycle. 5. Data integrity in reporting and documentation. Ennov Quality Suite supports accurate and reliable reporting by ensuring the integrity of all data used in trial documentation. Automated workflows reduce the risk of human error in document creation, revision, and approval, making the entire process more streamlined and transparent. 6. Collaboration across teams. The suite enables seamless collaboration among stakeholders, such as clinical researchers, data managers, and regulatory bodies. By ensuring data integrity at every stage of the trial, from planning to execution and analysis, the platform enhances the accuracy and reliability of collaborative efforts. 7. Efficient audit and inspection readiness. In clinical trials, maintaining data integrity is essential for being audit-ready at all times. Ennov Quality Suite simplifies the audit process by providing clear, comprehensive data histories and easy access to audit trails, making it easier to pass inspections and demonstrate data integrity. By leveraging Ennov Quality Suite, clinical trial teams can improve the accuracy, reliability, and compliance of their data, which not only ensures the success of the trial but also enhances the credibility of the results. Boost efficiency and accuracy. How Ennov Quality Suite revolutionizes quality control. Ennov Quality Suite is a comprehensive solution designed to optimize and streamline quality management processes in regulated industries such as life sciences, pharmaceuticals, and manufacturing. Here's how it revolutionizes quality control, boosting both efficiency and accuracy. 1. Centralized quality data management. Ennov Quality Suite centralizes all quality-related data, enabling real-time access and ensuring that everyone involved in the quality control process is working with the most up-to-date and accurate information. This reduces errors caused by outdated or fragmented data, leading to more accurate decision-making and fewer quality issues. 2. Automated workflows. The suite automates key processes like CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, audit management, and document control. Automation reduces manual errors, speeds up processes, and ensures consistency across quality control activities. This leads to improved efficiency as teams can focus on higher-value tasks rather than manual checks and updates. 3. Seamless integration with other systems. Ennov Quality Suite integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems, example ERP, CRM, and manufacturing systems. This integration enables better synchronization between quality control and other business functions, helping to align quality initiatives with overall business goals. Data flows smoothly across departments, reducing delays and improving accuracy in tracking quality metrics. 4. Real-time analytics and reporting. With powerful analytics and reporting capabilities, the suite enables continuous monitoring of quality metrics. Real-time dashboards provide instant visibility into key performance indicators, enabling quick identification of potential issues and allowing for faster corrective actions. This proactive approach helps prevent quality problems before they escalate. 5. Compliance management. The suite is designed to ensure compliance with regulatory standards, example FDA, ISO, GxP. It includes tools to manage documentation, audit trails, and validation processes, reducing the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. This ensures that quality control activities are accurate and aligned with industry regulations, safeguarding the organization from costly mistakes. 6. Collaboration and communication. Ennov Quality Suite enhances communication and collaboration across teams involved in quality control. It provides a centralized platform for sharing documents, tracking tasks, and managing workflows. This reduces silos and improves teamwork, which in turn enhances the overall quality control process. 7. Continuous improvement. By providing data-driven insights, Ennov Quality Suite encourages continuous improvement through the identification of trends, recurring issues, and opportunities for optimization. This helps organizations refine their quality control processes, leading to long-term efficiency gains and more consistent product quality. In summary, Ennov Quality Suite transforms quality control by centralizing data, automating processes, and ensuring compliance, all while improving collaboration and providing actionable insights for continuous improvement. This results in higher efficiency, greater accuracy, and a more reliable quality management system. Ennov Quality Suite and Risk Management, Proactive Strategies for Enhanced Compliance. Ennov Quality Suite and its risk management module are designed to help organizations proactively manage and enhance compliance efforts. These solutions offer a comprehensive approach to quality management by streamlining processes, automating tasks, and enabling a data-driven approach to decision-making. Here are some proactive strategies for using Ennov Quality Suite and risk management to enhance compliance. 1. Automated workflows and document control. Compliance through automation. Ennov Quality Suite automates workflows, ensuring that all necessary steps in quality management, including audits, reviews, and approvals, are documented and followed. This reduces human error, speeds up processes, and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. Document management. By maintaining a centralized repository of all critical documents, Ennov helps ensure that documents are version controlled, accessible, and traceable for audit purposes. It also facilitates easy retrieval, reducing the time and effort required to meet compliance requests. 2. Risk assessment and mitigation. Real-time risk monitoring. The risk management module provides real-time insights into risks, allowing businesses to continuously monitor compliance-related risks. By identifying and assessing risks proactively, organizations can take steps to mitigate them before they lead to non-compliance issues. Risk prioritization, with the ability to categorize and prioritize risks based on impact and probability, businesses can focus their resources on the most critical compliance risks. 3. Root cause analysis and CAPA, corrective and preventive actions. Identifying the root cause, NO's risk management tools support root cause analysis, RCA, helping organizations identify the underlying causes of non-compliance or quality failures. Understanding these causes allows businesses to develop effective corrective actions. Continuous improvement, CAPA, corrective and preventive action, management features ensure that any issues are addressed through corrective measures that prevent future occurrences, fostering continuous improvement in quality and compliance processes. 4. Regulatory compliance tracking. Customizable compliance templates. NOV Quality Suite offers customizable compliance templates based on specific regulations, example FDA, ISO, EMA. These templates ensure that processes are aligned with regulatory standards, reducing the risk of non-compliance. Audit trail and reporting. With robust audit trails and reporting capabilities, NOV allows organizations to demonstrate compliance during regulatory inspections. Automated reports ensure that accurate and up-to-date information is always available. 5. Training and education. Compliance training. NOV helps organizations ensure that employees are trained and aware of the latest compliance standards through integrated training management systems. Regular training and certifications ensure ongoing compliance across the organization. Knowledge sharing. By centralizing compliance and quality-related knowledge, NOV promotes awareness and understanding of best practices across the organization, fostering a culture of compliance. 6. Proactive audits and inspections. Scheduled audits. Regular audits are a proactive measure to ensure ongoing compliance. NOV allows organizations to schedule audits, define audit criteria, and track audit outcomes to ensure that any discrepancies are promptly addressed. Inspection readiness. NOV helps organizations stay audit-ready by tracking compliance activities in real time. This means any issues can be addressed long before external inspections, reducing the risk of non-compliance penalties. Accelerating product life cycle management with NOV Quality Suite. NOV Quality Suite is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline and accelerate product life cycle management, PLM, by focusing on quality management across the entire life cycle of a product, from development to post-market surveillance. Here's how NOV Quality Suite helps in accelerating PLM. 1. Centralized data management. Unified repository. NOV provides a centralized system to manage all product-related data, such as design specifications, test results, compliance documents, and quality reports. This reduces silos and ensures better collaboration across teams. Version control. Automatic tracking of versions and changes ensures the team always works with the latest product information. 2. Regulatory compliance. Automated compliance tracking. NOV helps businesses stay compliant with industry regulations by automating the tracking of compliance requirements, reducing manual oversight and ensuring adherence to standards. Audit trails. The system generates comprehensive audit trails, ensuring that every step of product development, quality control, and changes are fully documented and can be audited, which is essential for regulatory submissions. 3. Quality assurance and testing. Integrated testing, quality checks, including validations and verifications, can be seamlessly integrated into the development process. This ensures product quality at each stage, from design to final production. Defect management. Ennov supports efficient defect tracking and resolution, enabling teams to address quality issues promptly without delaying the product life cycle. 4. Document control. Streamlined documentation. Ennov simplifies the management of documentation required throughout the product life cycle, including design reviews, validation protocols, and regulatory submissions. The system helps maintain compliance while ensuring that documents are readily available when needed. Collaborative review. Multiple teams can collaborate on document review processes, accelerating decision-making and reducing bottlenecks. 5. Risk management. Risk assessment. Ennov provides tools to assess and manage risks, allowing teams to proactively identify potential issues and mitigate them early in the product development life cycle. Failure mode analysis. Integrating failure mode effects analysis (FME) into the workflow helps identify product design flaws and operational risks, leading to higher product reliability. 6. Change management. Efficient change control. Ennov automates the change management process, ensuring that any changes to the product design, process, or documentation are tracked and communicated effectively across teams. This reduces delays and ensures that quality is maintained throughout the process. Approval workflow ensures that product changes undergo proper validation, review, and approval, helping reduce errors and enhance product quality. 7. Collaboration and communication. Cross-functional collaboration. Ennov fosters better communication across departments such as R&D, quality, regulatory, and manufacturing teams, ensuring that everyone is aligned and has access to real-time data. Ennov Quality Suite, the key to ensuring continuous quality improvement in your organization. Ennov Quality Suite, the key to ensuring continuous quality improvement in your organization. Ennov Quality Suite is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline quality management processes and ensure continuous improvement across an organization. By leveraging powerful tools and technologies, this suite helps organizations maintain high-quality standards, mitigate risks, and comply with industry regulations. Here's how it facilitates continuous quality improvement. 1. Centralized quality management. Ennov Quality Suite integrates various quality management processes into a unified system, offering a centralized platform for managing quality control, audits, corrective actions, and preventive measures. This integration ensures that all teams have access to the latest quality data and can collaborate efficiently on improvements. 2. Compliance and risk management. With a strong focus on regulatory compliance, Ennov Quality Suite ensures that organizations meet industry-specific standards such as ISO, GMP, and FDA regulations. The suite includes tools for document control, audit management, and risk assessment, helping organizations mitigate compliance risks while maintaining product and service quality. 3. Continuous monitoring and reporting. The suite enables continuous monitoring of quality metrics, providing real-time insights into performance. Its reporting tools help organizations identify trends, track KPIs, and analyze areas that need improvement. By using data-driven insights, businesses can make informed decisions to enhance quality and operational efficiency. 4. Corrective and preventive actions, CAPA. Ennov Quality Suite includes robust CAPA management features that allow organizations to respond quickly to quality issues. The suite automates the identification, documentation, and resolution of non-conformances, ensuring that corrective actions are taken promptly and that preventive measures are put in place to avoid recurrence. 5. Document control and change management. Effective document control is a cornerstone of quality management. Ennov Quality Suite allows organizations to manage documents, procedures, and records securely, ensuring they are always up to date and easily accessible. The suite also provides powerful change management tools that track revisions, approvals, and implementations of changes to maintain quality consistency. 6. Supplier and vendor management. Quality management doesn't end with internal processes, it also extends to external partners. Ennov Quality Suite includes vendor and supplier management capabilities to ensure that third-party products and services meet quality standards. This feature allows organizations to evaluate, monitor, and improve supplier performance over time. 7. Training and knowledge management. Ensuring continuous improvement requires a skilled workforce. Ennov Quality Suite offers training management tools to track employee certifications, training progress, and knowledge dissemination. It ensures that staff members are continuously educated on quality standards and best practices, promoting a culture of quality within the organization. 8. Scalable and flexible. Whether your organization is a small business or a large enterprise, Ennov Quality Suite is scalable to meet varying demands. Its flexibility allows businesses to customize workflows, reporting, and dashboards according to specific industry needs and quality objectives. Why choose ProExcellency for Ennov Quality Suite online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Ennov Quality Suite online training can offer several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency employs experienced trainers who are well-versed in Ennov Quality Suite and its various modules. This ensures high-quality, reliable training. Comprehensive curriculum. The training programs are designed to cover all aspects of Ennov Quality Suite, from basic to advanced functionalities. This ensures you gain a complete understanding of the software and can use it effectively. Flexible learning. ProExcellency offers online training that allows you to learn at your own pace and schedule, making it convenient for professionals with busy work schedules. Hands-on learning. The training often includes practical, hands-on sessions to help you become proficient in using Ennov Quality Suite in real-world scenarios. Certification preparation. ProExcellency prepares learners for certification, which can enhance career prospects by demonstrating expertise in Ennov Quality Suite. Cost-effective. With online training, ProExcellency typically offers competitive pricing without compromising on the quality of instruction. Continuous support. Learners can access ongoing support from trainers, enabling them to resolve queries or issues even after the training is completed. Industry-relevant content. The training is up to date with industry standards, ensuring that you learn the latest best practices and trends in quality management using Innov. Thank you.